coupon code for new users. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you the coupon code for new users in Temu. So first of all you have to do is just simply open the Temu's official website, and after that just simply log into your account using your credentials. And once you have logged in into your Temu account, all you have to do is just simply open another tab, and on the search bar just simply search for a Temu coupon code for new user, or you can simply search for Temu coupon code and you will be able to see different options as a search result. Just simply click on the first website link that you will see on the top, and over here you have so many different coupon codes available for you to use. So I'm just going to click on the first link, and it will get up to 30% off on your orders. You just simply have to copy this particular code, and after that just come back to your Temu account and just select the product that you would want to buy in your Temu account, and after that just simply click on the checkout section in order to make the purchase. And after that, under the right hand side menu screen, you will be able to see the option called enter coupon code. Just simply paste this coupon code that you have copied from the website right there and click on apply, and after that just simply enter the payment details and your address and other details. And as soon as you enter all these details, just submit your order and make the purchase happen. So this is basically how you will be able to use Temu coupon code. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.